What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do member and server info commands. For the member, it's going to have when the account was created, when they joined the server, and the profile picture, the name, like everything, almost everything about the member. So in this, we're going to be using Preview 437. So if you don't know what I'm saying about that, make sure to watch some of the last videos. And if you're new here, this channel is all about coding a Discord bot, well, without actually coding. So there's a platform called Scratch for Discord, and you can use it to create your own bot without coding. And it can do whatever a normal bot can. So if you want to create a Discord bot and don't know how to code, make sure to check out some of my other videos. So make sure your Scratch server is set to Preview 437 and click open Scratch. So there's also, they recently added music, the music category, and I will be making a video on that soon too. But first I'm doing this. So do and import the command handler and make the command whatever you want. So I usually do either info, or member. So I'm gonna do the info for the member, and then we're gonna do just reply, we're gonna do create text with. Actually, I think it'll be better if you make it an embed. So if you make a simple embed, I'm pretty sure there are simple embeds, yeah. You can do a simple embed, which is kind of easier. You can just enter it over here, or you can do a advanced embed or normal embed. So you can do create new embed, then set embed color. So I'm gonna set it to, you can set it to any color. I'm just gonna do random color for this right now, and set the title and make it, I'm gonna make it the username of the message author, or tag. I'll actually do tag of member. So do tag of member message author. So put tag of member over there, and then message author inside tag of member, and set the description. And this is going to be the main part. So we're going to add some new lines, so make sure to put some create text with. And in the first line, we're going to put if, we're going to put a test if. So if you don't know what a test if is, it's basically like the if block. It's basically the if block, but it's like smaller and simpler. And then put member message author is a bot. And if true, so if true, that means it is, the member message author is a bot. Then you can put bot tag, so like just to say that it's a bot. And if false, you can just put null or just leave it blank. I would just leave it blank, so it wouldn't put anything. So what it's basically doing here, if the message author is a bot, then it's putting the bot into here. But if it's not a bot, then then it puts null over here. So that's basically how that works. And this is basically like an else. It's because in ifs you can put if and then else. But if you wanted to do else if, put another test inside that, and that would make it like an else if kind of. So I'm just gonna leave it like that and delete that. And then you can put a new line. Put a new line in there and then add a few more items. And I'm gonna make it, just add a lot, because we're gonna add like all of the blocks that are available in Scratch for Discord in this preview. So new line, and then put, you can put ID, I guess. You can put ID of member message author, and then another new line. And if you want, you can also put like a label. So you would put text before that. So you can put ID and then say the ID of member message author. But to keep this short, I'm just gonna put the ID, but I would recommend putting labels. And then after that, put discriminator. So if you don't know what a discriminator is, it's basically like a tag. Exam hashtag or number 4967. So the discriminator is just the end part, number 4967. It would just say that. In simple embed, you can't do this in simple embeds. There's no option for it in simple embeds, but in advanced embeds you can. So set embed author, you can just do that, drag that in. I'm not gonna do the title. The title and the author basically looks the same, and then the profile picture is gonna be that member profile picture message author. So it would say like the profile picture like in a little circle, and then say the author next to it, just like a title. So, and the thumbnail is gonna be blank. I'm not gonna do that. And then at the end, just put send embed in the channel. You can do message channel. He would do message channel. And that's it for the member. You can add anything you want in between here. You can do another command handler or just a normal messages received. For the server, if you change the command, I'm gonna make the command -server because my prefix is dash, and delete these. I'm gonna duplicate this just so it's easier, and we're gonna be doing basically the same thing, but except from the member category, it's gonna be from the server category, so it's gonna be all of this. So create new embed, then the color can stay the same. Just make this a title if you want, and the server can do a name of server if you want, number of members in server, so it would be number of members in server message server. I think that's all of the blocks. Oh yeah, creation date. Creation date is a pretty cool one too. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to join my Discord server, Scratch for Discord World. So if you want, you can self-promote your bot or get help for your own bot. And that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.